Hello YouTube, in this video we're going to be changing out the cover for the key on the BMW 3 Series E90 E92 E93 chassis. My key started coming off. It started falling apart. I work in the kitchen. It got water on it. It started falling apart. I found this one on Amazon for pretty cheap. All I had to do was pry the key apart, or my original key apart, move everything over to this cover, and just plug it right in, and that's basically it. The key was pretty cheap, like I said, and it's a nice key. The only thing that this cover didn't come with was the BMW emblem, which I haven't gotten yet, but I will buy one and see, and if I like it, I will post it in the link in the bio below as well. If you guys know of a better emblem, even if they're in like different colors and stuff, because I kind of want to change the color, leave it in the comments down below, please. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it was helpful. Hit a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for more BMW E90 3 Series content, or if you're interested in rebuilds like E30 and E46 wagon also as well. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.